Good morning, class. Today I'm going to be reading you the book, The Rattletrap Car, and it is written by Phyllis Root, and it is illustrated by Jill Barton. Before I read the story, I want to talk to you a little bit about the parts of a book. So this part of the book that has the name of the book or the title and the author and illustrator's name is called the front cover. And then you have the spine. It's kind of like the backbone of the book that holds the book together. And then you have the back cover. And on the back cover, you usually have the title of the book again. And then if there's an important part on the back of the book, you might find that on the back of the book. You might also find some quotes from people that really enjoyed it. So this is the back cover, this is the spine, and this is the front cover. Okay? So here we go, the Rattletrap Car. And I want you to listen for those words that tell us the sounds we might hear in the story. Junie was hot, Jakey was hot, even the baby was hot, hot, hot. Let's go to the lake, said Junie and Jakey. Go, said Baby. Oh dear, said Papa. I don't know if we can make it in our Rattletrap Car. It doesn't go fast and it doesn't go far. Please, 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 cried Junie and Jakey. Go, cried the baby. All right, said Papa. We'll give it a try. So he packed up a thermos full of razzleberry, dazzleberry, snazzleberry fizz, and some chocolate marshmallow fudge delight. Junie took her beach ball, Jakey took his surfboard, the baby took her 3-speed wind-up paddle wheel boat. Papa turned the key, brum, 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 clinkety, clankety, bing, bang, pop! They were off to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. They didn't go fast and they didn't go far, when boom, the tire went flat. Are you hearing some of those words? Never mind, said Junie. I know just what to do. She put her beach ball on the car and she stuck it on tight with chocolate marshmallow fudge delight. Do you think that's a good fix, to stick a beach ball on for a wheel? Papa turned the key, brum, 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 lumpity, bumpity, clinkety, clankety, bing, back, pop! They were off to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. They didn't go fast and they didn't go far, when whumpity whomp! The floor fell off. Never mind, said Jakey. I know just what to do. He put his surfboard on the car and he stuck it on tight with chocolate marshmallow fudge delight. Papa turned the key. Broom, 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 whappity, fappity, lumpity, bumpity, clinkety, clankety, bing, back, pop! They were off to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. They didn't go fast and they didn't go far, when spitter, spitter, sput! The gas tank fell off. Oh goodness, we've got a wheel, we've got a surfboard. Never mind, said Papa. I know just what to do. He put the thermos full of razzleberry, dazzleberry, snazzleberry fizz on the car, and he stuck it on tight with chocolate marshmallow fudge delight. Papa turned the key. Brum, brum, brum! Fizzily, sizzily, whappity, bappity, lumpity, bumpity, clinkety, clankety, bing, bang, pop! They were off to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. They didn't go fast and they didn't go far, when thunk-a-da-thunk! The engine fell out. I wonder what they're going to put in. Oh dear, said Jakey. Oh dear, said Junie. Oh dear, said Papa. Oh dear, 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 oh dear. There they sat by the side of the road, all broken down and hot, 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 almost to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. Whatever are they going to do? Junie shook her head, Jakey shook his head, Papa shook his head, the baby shook her 3-speed wind-up paddle wheel boat. Go, said the baby. Go, go, go. Do you think, said Junie? That is just, said Jakey. My work, said Papa. Go, said the baby. So they took the baby's boat and put it on the car and stuck it on tight with chocolate marshmallow fudge delight. Papa turned the key. Brum, brum, brum. Flip-a-da, floop-a-da, fizzily, sizzily, whappity, bappity, lumpity, bumpity, clinkety, clankety, bing, bang, pop! They were off to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. They didn't go fast, but they didn't go far. They made it to the lake in their Rattletrap Car. Junie was cool, Jakey was cool, Papa and the baby were cool, cool, cool. All day long they were cool at the lake till the sun went down. Till the moon came up and they went flippida, flippida, floopida, fizzily, sizzily, whappity, bappity, lumpity, bumpity, clinkety, clankety, bing, bang, pop, all the way back home. And that is the end of the Rattletrap Car. I hope you enjoyed all those fun sounds that were in this book.